In this video, we will show you how to replace your front wiper blades on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. These will be located along the lower portion of your windshield. Let's get into it. Let's get started on our job. Once you've located your wiper blades, we're going to start the removal process by carefully lifting up on the wiper arm. Keep in mind, this is under spring tension. It's trying to apply pressure up against the windshield, so we want to be extremely careful at all times throughout this entire process. Once you've lifted it away from the windshield, on most wiper blades, there's going to be a locking tab that you can make your way under here to dislodge. Other wiper blades, like this one right here, has a locking tab along the top. For this one, I'm just going to carefully pry it out of place with a small pocket screwdriver. And now I can take hold of the wiper blade. We're going to slide it towards the driver's side of the vehicle. It should pop out of place, and there it is, friend. And now a quick inspection of our wiper arm to confirm nothing's rotted or weak. And we can install our brand new wiper blade. For this, we're going to start by bringing it towards the driver's side, and we're going to slide the hooked area into the wiper blade adapter. Listen for a click. Now, when attaching this wiper blade, you can see that the hook just goes over this adapter, but it does not have that locking tab like the original wiper blade did have. Once you've heard an audible click, give it a tug towards the driver's side to ensure it's properly locked in. It needs to be locked in, otherwise it could come off while you're driving down the road, which could potentially be dangerous for your windshield. Carefully rest your wiper blade against your window glass. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. The process for one side wiper blade is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've completed that, go ahead and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.